Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're making this cute crochet flower phone bag. It's easy and beginner friendly. Let's get started. Here is my yarn and I'm going to use, look, 3-point millimeter hook. Now, let's get started. Now, first of all, make a slip knot and making 2, 3, 20 chains. The number of chains could be changed according to your desired size, but 20 chains for my phone is enough. After making chains, now we're going to make a half double crochets. Make a 2 chains, yarn over, going to the 20th chain. Look, make a half double crochet until the end in every chain, making 1/2 double crochet, and totally at the end we'll have a 20 half double crochet. Make it. Look, after making the half double crochets, now we're going to make a, look, in the last chain one more half double crochet. Okay, and again, look, at this side we're going to make a half double crochets in front of every half double crochets, and I'm going to hide the extra yarn here. Make it until the end. At the end, look, we're going to into the second chain that we made it at the first. Look, into the second chain, make a slip stitches. After making a slip stitches, now for the next row, making 4 chains, 2, 3, 4. We consider the 3 chains as a 1 double crochet and 1 chain as a space. Look here, skip the next stitch and going on the top of the second stitches, making 1 double crochet. We're going to make a just double crochet. Again, make a 1 chain, skip the next stitch, going on the top of the next stitch, make a 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip, next, 1 double crochet. Look, we're going to make some spaces like this and keep continue around the model until we reach to the end. When you reach at the end of the row, look here, going into the third chain that we made at the beginning of the row and make a slip stitches. Again, make a 4 chains, 2, 3, 4. Look, every row begin with a 4 chain and end into the third chain with the slip stitches. Again, look here, going on the top of the double crochets and make a double crochets. 1 chain, going, look, on the top of the next double crochets, making double crochets like this. And keep continue like this way until then. Again, next row is like this row. Forget that every rows I've completed, I make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. That's enough for me, but you can continue uh, in your desired rows. Okay, and after that, I'm going to look reversing my bag like this. Stretch and shape with my hand. Okay. Then I make a slip stitch, look, in the first space. 2 chains, 1, 2, into the space, same space, make a 1/2 double crochet. On the top of the double crochet, make a 1/2 double crochet. Into the space, make a 1/2 double crochet. On the top of the double crochet, make a 1/2 double crochet like this, and keep continue. Turn around the bag like this. At the end of the row, I'll show you. End of the row, look, I'm going to make a slip stitch into the top of the first stitch. Look, make a 1 chain and cut our yarn. Look, the body of our bag is ready. Now we're going to make flowers for our bag. For the flowers, first make a magic ring and 1 chain, making 5 single crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then tight the ring and going on the top of the first single crochet and making 1 slip stitches. Then make a 3 chains, 2, 3, going look into the next stitch on the top of the next stitch and making a slip stitches. Again, make a 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, next stitch, make a slip stitches, 3 chains, next stitch, slip stitches, 3 chains, next stitch, and 3 chains. The last one, make a slip stitches. Look, we have totally we have 5 spaces like this. Now we'll make leaves into the spaces. Now, going to the first spaces, 3 chain spaces, make a 1 slip stitch, making 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, look, yarn over 2 times and going into the same space, making double crochets that we gathered 3 times. Yarn over 2 times in same spaces, making double crochets like this. Totally, we're making 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. Then Again, making 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, into the same space, make a slip stitches. Look, we completed the first sleeve of our flower. Again, for the next, going into the next space, make a slip stitches, 4 chains, 3, 4, yarn over 2 times, and making like double crochets 4 times in same space, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the same space, make a slip stitches, and completed the other leaf. Continue into the other spaces like this and until the end. I've completed my flower, and at the end again make a 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, make a slip stitches, look, and make a 1 chain and cut a little longer like this my yarn. And now I'm shape with your hands. We're going to one here, join one here, and one here. Okay? For the back strap, I doubled the yarn and used 5mm hook. Start by making 2 chains, then insert the hook into the first chain. Next, chain again by pulling the yarn through under these 2, just like this. And repeat the same process all the way. By pulling the yarn through under, look, under these 2. Keep continue until to desired length, then attach to your back. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Happy crocheting and see you in the next tutorial.